Hey everybody, hi and welcome and thanks for joining Wyatt and I for today's video. Cena's still hiding, getting girl time, relaxing, quiet time. I'm not sure. She's not joining us today. She says no thank you. But we're super excited. You can see Wyatt's enthusiasm because we have an unboxing for you today. It's actually an unbagging. My Glamour Jewelry Box is here. I love Glamour Jewelry Box. Are you interested now? Love Glamour Jewelry Box. I do get sent this subscription for review, but I love this jewelry subscription. It is so fun. 3 pieces of jewelry every single month for $29.95, and you always get a necklace, bracelet, and earrings. Most of the time they're always in a set. You can wear them together. If you catch my outfit of the day, what I wore videos every week, you can see I wear these pieces all the time that I get inside my Glamour Jewelry Box. I love them. I think that for the value, they have the most amazing pieces, and they tend to go from delicate to statement. Many times they'll give you a choice, and you can actually, a little survey where you can pick what kind of necklace you want, what style of earrings you'd like, from a drop earring to a stud earring, and you get to have lots and lots of choices. And there is $3.50 in shipping on top of the $29.95 price, and there's no commitment required, so you can skip and cancel at any time once you sign up. Otherwise, this comes every single month, $29.95 plus the $3.50 for shipping. So I need to get inside my little bag here. I need scissors. I love this gold, the gold color today. Last time I think it was like a purpley pink, which is their signature color. I'm almost in. Okay. Always comes inside a jewelry pouch, and usually there is always information about each of the pieces of jewelry. I got a little note here, says Laura, new year, new jewelry, Glamour Jewelry Box. We're kicking off the new decade with an amazing collection. Since this year is all about you, if you're loving the month's pieces, you are going to be blown away by the rest of the year's jewelry. How cute that is. Personalized. I love it. Yay. And if you sign up for they offer it also, you can get it at a quarterly price. You also get a free bonus jewelry dish for $15 if you decide to go the quarterly route as in place of paying per month. All right, so let's dig in. What looks like rose gold this month. Woo. All right, first up, I see a bracelet. And I do have a coupon code for you. So if you would like to give this subscription a try and you use the code HAPPY, then you will get a free gift worth $25 with your first subscription, your first box. How cool is that? Love that. That's like equivalent of another piece of jewelry. So here's the first item. Look how pretty that is. It's a bracelet, of course, and it is adjustable here at the top, so you can make it smaller or bigger. It is 2-strand and has the different size stones there. I think that's so pretty. Different sizes, different shapes. Love that. You just pull on it to open it, slip it right on, tighten it right back up again. Wyatt should be helping me, but he's already asleep. So here's what it looks like. How pretty is that? I love it. It's a great basic. All right, so you get little cards with your jewelry that tell you about each of the pieces. This is called the Lombard Street Bracelet. This beaded beauty has the perfect pull tie closure, so you can put it on with ease. The double layer makes for a chic look and style. Get ready for the endless compliments. And the retail price of this is $28 and is by Laurel and Rose. So pretty. All right, next. Ooh, earrings, hoops. Wait till you see these. These are pretty. Sparkly. Check that out. They are on a post. So sparkly. Hopefully this is being picked up. Love that. They're just the perfect size too. I like them when they're big enough you can see them, but not so big that you like can feel them flapping around. Does that make sense? Sometimes I feel if they're so big I can feel them just moving around. Those are pretty. I like them. I love a good hoop. Okay. So here's what it looks like. Very pretty. I like them. Very pretty. All right, these are called the Glamour hoops. It says, hoops with a glamorous twist. These sparkling hoops add a little something extra to your outfit without any effort. We'll know you'll reach for this pair over and over again. The retail price is $25, and they are the Sophia collection. So pretty. All right, and I still have a necklace to share. Ooh, this looks pretty. Double-stranded. I love this. Wait till you see this. Look how pretty that is. I really like that. What do you guys think of this? Very, very pretty. I really like that. So here's all three pieces. I think this makes for a very pretty set. All right, let's see what it says about the necklace. This is the Lunar necklace. This beautiful opal stone necklace is the perfect jewelry addition for the new decade. The layered design and modern bar detail make for a captivating piece. The retail price is $28, and this is from the Paris collection. I like it. This was so my style. Very, very pretty. Yeah, what do you guys think? Do you have a favorite piece? I do mix up my sets. I don't always wear them all together. So when I get these pieces, a lot of times I will mix them up. This is really pretty. But I do think it's fun to mix up the pieces and try the items with different sets because it gives them a new look. So I do love wearing these pieces. You can check out more of these pieces in my other videos, but also in my outfit of the day videos, you can see how I wear them. I do have such fun with them. But please share. Let me know. What did you like? Do you have a favorite piece? Does a certain piece speak to you more than the others, or do you like this set? I think this is fun. I do love bracelets that make it easy for you to still work. I do like that they're expandable, so at least they will fit any wrist. And I think this will be easy for me to work with because I don't have to worry about a hard bangle when I'm working on the computer or working at my desk. So loving these pieces. I hope you enjoyed this video and getting to see Glamour Jewelry Box. I would love to hear your comments below. I will put all the information down below in regards to this subscription and the items that were in my bag this month. as well as the code HAPPY. So in case you want to give this subscription a try, you can get a free gift worth up to $25. Please comment below. Would love, love, love if you would hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and show me some support. It really helps my channel, helps me bring you content. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Until next time, everyone, I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.